In the glove box, it says?
No.
Why are you looking in the glove box?
I was curious what you had in your glove box. Morning, Pops.
Yes, it is. Yes.
Oh, I don't want to break
Jesus
it. Oh, man.
Christ, that was loud. Your car is talking. Start listening. This is from our dear friends FIXD.
Oh, you can see me in the mirror. Hey.
Yeah. This is from our dear friends FIXD at, FIXD.com.
We got a special link. It's down in the description. So
yeah.
if you're going to go to their website, do it through our link, please.
And this is a gizmo that you plug into something?
I mean, I would sell it a little harder, but that's just...
Well, I don't know exactly what it is. This reads codes in your car, I believe.
Yeah, let's open it up. I think it's got like a little tutorial. Let's see. So if you're going to buy a FIXD...
Yeah. Oh.
Just know that this is
this is... Oh, look, there's directions. Download... This is the FIXD installation guide. Download the FIXD app on your smartphone.
I'm fairly certain it's like focused on your thumb right now and not
Okay. Launch the FIXD app and complete the account registration. Tap I have a FIXD sensor. That's what this thing must be. And enter your sensor code, which is located on the back of the FIXD sensor.
Yes.
4. Plug the FIXD sensor into the OBD2 port. The port is commonly located beneath the dash near the locations shown below. There's the location shown below.
A little closer, Pops. Oh,
location, yeah. Okay.
All right.
Start your vehicle and leave it running. Your vehicle must be running for the sensor to work. In the FIXD app, tap to add the FIXD sensor. Name your sensor so you can identify it, like you have more than one.
Hey, if you're going to buy more than one,
to identify which vehicle it's plugged into. Manage your car care with confidence.
All right.
Want more out of FIXD? Start a free trial. Okay.
All right, so let's open it up. So what are we going to be... So obviously... Well, maybe it's not obvious.
There it is. Look, that must be the Obi-Wan Kenobi that goes into your OBD2 port. Because, well, everybody wants an OBD2 port.
So, Dad, we're obviously going to go outside in a little bit. And we're going to actually plug this into...
Look at that! Look at all them
you ready?
connectors.
I'm zoom in.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not focused at all, but I'm zooming.
Perfect.
You know what it's focused? There it is. It was focused on if it's taxable. It's negotiable.
Okay, good. So yeah, there's all the little connecting pins, and you plug this into the port so that you can get a report about any codes that might appear in your vehicle to let you know if you have any issues. Is there anything else in here that I need to know? Need help? God knows, but you folks don't offer the type of help I need.
So we are going to go.
Because I need to get my head examined. Oh, look, it has a little, so you can hang these. Oh, that's very interesting. Okay.
So we're going to go outside. We're going to put this in the Mini. We're going to show you what one of the example reports looks like. And we'll give you our 2 cents if we think it's worthwhile or not. And they're paying us, so we're probably going to think it's worthwhile.
So I'm telling you right now, you need to get one of these. and especially if you're looking at a used car, because if you're looking at a used car and you don't have a mechanic of choice that you'd like to use, well, take this with you and plug it into the port, and you can find out if there's any codes that are that need to be addressed in the car that you're looking at.
Yeah, I think it's $14.99 or $19.99, something like that. And they hooked us up with like their premium thing. So when we plug it into the car, I'm actually going to fire up the app, and like we have an on-call mechanic that we can contact through the app. So, like, for any codes that come up on the Mini. Now, obviously, you're leasing a new Mini, so hopefully there's no issues there. But we'll put it to the test.
I know that there's a fix for something. There's an open campaign on the Mini, which is the reason why I have a service appointment
coming up.
On Saturday the 27th.
Well, this video is coming out Cyber Monday, so
Saturday the 28th. So, yeah, I would have been to my Mini dealer by now. And
so we'll see. Yeah. We're going to plug it in. We'll see what happens.
Yeah.
And we'll check back with you in a couple minutes when we're cold outside.
Yeah.
Sound like fun?
I don't think in my 69 years I've ever endeavored to do anything that's more fun than this.
Put that on a t-shirt, FIXD.
Yeah. I think I can take the mask off.
I think you can.
Yeah.
All right, so do you want me to do it, Dad? Or you want to do it? Let's look here. I'll pull the app up. And where did it say that it was going to be?
Somewhere.
It did indeed say it was going to be somewhere.
Holy shit.
No, come on. Let me get down there, Dad.
Get down where?
No, let me do it.
Get
I don't want you to hurt your back.
What back?
What? Your back was already hurt. Let me do it.
Shit, I'm getting dizzy.
Come on, Dad. You hold the camera.
Here, go find a place to stick that.
All right, so here's...
I didn't see where it goes.
I have to scan it first. There, you get the thing.
God damn, it's cold.
We'll check back with you in a couple minutes when we're cold outside.
Yeah.
Sound like fun? So my sensors.
His sensor.
Adds.
This is called sensory deprivation, ladies and gentlemen. It's cold out here.
Okay, so we gotta look there.
Yeah, I looked there. I didn't see it.
Okay, so it might be on the other side.
See if you see anything. I didn't see anything. In the glove box, it says?
No.
Now, why are you looking in the glove box?
I was curious what you had in your glove box.
It's underneath somewhere. But I didn't see anything.
Oh my.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
All right, they've got a help me find it button.
Okay.
Oh, here we go. All right. So what is this? A 2020?
2020. Can I get in the car?
Yeah. Get.
God.
Can I get in the car? I don't want you to get sick.
Well, I don't want to get sick either. I just made everybody nauseous, though.
We're not getting paid enough for either of us to get sick. So what is this? Is this a Clubman?
Yes. You just drove the son of a to New York the other day. You think you'd know.
Is it an S or an all?
Yeah, no, it's an all 4S.
That's a nice trim level.
Thanks.
Find my port. Sorry, we can't. Okay, honestly, this is a genuine review.
Yeah.
That kind of sucks because neither of us are car guys. Well,
So I'm a car guy. What's that say? They don't know.
sorry, we aren't sure the location of your OB2.
My Obi-Wan Kenobi.
No Obi-Wan Kenobi. All right, so you know what we're gonna do?
What?
Zach's gonna go hands and knees.
What do you see down there, buddy?
Oh, it's right there.
Right where?
It's in.
Oh, guess you got to turn the car on.
Wait, give me a second. I will show the fine folks where ours is, if they can see that. There you go. Alright, I'm hopping back in.
Car's on.
Okay, you can go selfie mode, Pops.
Whoa.
Isn't that cool?
Whoa.
Alright, so now we are going to my sensors. See, that's what I don't like. It still says no registered sensors, so now I have to add the sensor, which I just freaking put down here. I don't really like that. Do you remember what the code was, or did it say on the box?
No, it's on this device. What am I going to do with you?
Okay, so we're gonna take her out.
Wow.
And then we're gonna plug the in.
You want me to read the directions again?
Dad, we are two men. We don't need directions. Okay, so I've got it in.
Yeah.
Now it says tap to set up. Alright. Name your vehicle. What do you want your car to be
Mini.
called?
Let's call this a Mini.
I love this angle.
Yeah. Ray's Mini.
Raise Mini. I think they're getting a lot of cheek action, which I like, Dad.
Yeah, well, I got big cheeks. I'm like a goddamn chipmunk.
Okay, so we've got it in.
Yeah.
So now, let's see, how the heck do you use this? Scan? Tap to scan? Well, that's kind of cool. It's doing something.
Yeah.
Got a nice loading screen.
Yeah.
No problems detected with Ray's Mini.
Well, isn't that good to know, folks?
All right, let's see. So they've got something here. I'll make this easier for you, Pops. I will do the filming over on my end.
Okay.
If only the folks could see this bouncing on my knee right now.
Yeah. If only.
Okay, so we've got see predicted issues.
Well, it's a Mini. They could be anywhere.
Issue forecast.
No.
No forecast data was found for this vehicle. Okay.
Yeah.
Not super valuable at this point, but
Well, no, it is because we didn't find anything wrong. There's no alerts.
that actually is a really good point.
Yeah. You know,
Okay.
especially considering the fact we're about to embark on a cross-country trip. I would think that's a nice thing to know.
Okay, they've got the emissions check on here, so we can do an emissions pre-check. That's kind of neat.
Yeah.
Everything passed. So this
Good.
all makes sense, because if you're doing it on a new car,
Well, plus tell the folks the car has all of 2,266 miles on it. So it's not like, you know, there should be a lot of things that could be wrong with it.
so Dad, you spent all the time in the business. Do you think that this is actually valuable for someone if they were buying, let's say, a used car, or
Absolutely.
as we go on our trip? Do you
Yeah.
think we'll actually use this? Do
Well-
you think we'll leave it plugged in and do checks?
Well, we could, and we could do periodic checks as we're driving for our dear friends at FIXD, and let them know if anything develops. I do know that we're scheduled for service prior to us
Yep.
leaving on our trip. We're going to get our annual, at this point, low mileage service. Because
Super low mileage.
because Mini calls for an oil change within the first 12 months, and we'll be 11 months in. So we'll get a annual low mileage oil change and service. And I know that there's some campaign to fix some programming that Mini knows.
So there
of.
is an active recall on the car?
It's a campaign. I don't know if it's a recall.
Because when I look on
It
the
might not
FIXD
be a
app-
recall.
Yeah,
It's
there is
just
no...
It's just a
Well,
campaign.
here, check recalls. Oh, but okay, so when you click check recalls, whoops, it like takes you out, go to recalls. Yeah, it takes you to NHTSA, NHTSA.
Okay, yeah.
Which is like helpful.
Yeah, no, absolutely
Yeah.
it is.
Yeah, we're actually thinking of putting something like this in Your Auto Advocate. We'll see. It's not like super helpful, but it's useful.
No, this would be great if you're looking at a pre-owned
Okay,
car.
thank you. Yes.
And you don't have a mechanic, but you want to get some indication as to what you're buying, and if there's any issues. And if you have one of these little devices, and you saw how easy it was for someone to install it when they know where it is,
Yeah.
and you can get this information, well, that could be a godsend if there's actual issues, and it pulls up codes, and you can say to your salesman, okay, great, I really like the car. Here's the things that we need to take care of before I'll be willing to move on it and purchase
Would you
it.
let a customer, if they showed up with one of these, put it in the car?
Oh, I don't know how you'd stop them.
Put your hands behind your back.
Yeah, I mean, what are you going to do?
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, I think you'd let them, and if they wouldn't let you do it, well, then go find another dealership where they will.
So we'll put some information about FIXD down below. We have that link, so if you are going to buy one, buy through that link. That's how we get attribution. Everyone by now knows how that works. There's a couple other things that we're not showing you with it. Like we have the free, or they gave us free premium, which means that if there was an issue on this vehicle, I could click a button, tap a button, and we'd go live to a mechanic, which is also pretty cool.
Yeah.
So I think their premium service, it's like an annual fee or a monthly fee. Check it out on the link down below. And yeah, you know what? It actually does make sense. I'm super interested to actually leave it in there and run some checks as we go cross country. Regardless if FIXD wants us to or not, now that they gave it to us, I think we're going to.
Well, do we want to leave it in, or should we just put it in whenever we want to check?
I think we can just leave it in.
Are you sure? I'd take it out. You know,
I'll take it out.
I'll feel better. We can put it in the glove box.
Sounds good. All right,
Okay.
Pops. Well, thanks for doing this. And yeah, we'll keep you posted on if we actually find it useful and valuable. But I think, like we said, if you can't get a pre-purchase inspection done and you're looking to buy a used car,
I think it's a wonderful tool.
$20. Use
Yeah,
it.
yeah. I mean, you know, it could be the best $20 you ever spent.
Could be.
Yeah, it could be, unless, well, we're in town and you want to treat us to, I don't know, a burger and a beer.